Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How are you guys doing? My name is Mama SOJ. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. My people, not be small thing, no. MC Oluomo don finally come out to my people to come show him full support for Tinubu, my people. He say na only Tinubu na go fit do am o. He say Tinubu nìkan ló lè ṣe ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. He say make people come outside to come vote for Tinubu because na only Tinubu na go fit do Oshodi Road, my people. He say he no go fit vote for any other person except Tinubu. He say if anybody they bring anybody come outside wey they wan come vote for him, he go fold the hand go back. No matter how the money, he no go vote for him because he know say now Bola Tinubu Ahmed na he fit to dey that position. Say because a lot of road wey be say e no good, na Tinubu na go fit do am, my people. And he go let you dey understand say the road wey be say he do where he built in hotel put, he do am because he get property for there. Say he do the road because say he get hotel for there because na business he use am take do. And a lot of people sit down there, they clap for him because in the let the people they understand say if to say no be business will be say he get for there, he no go fit do the road and he no go fit do the light. So for that reason, make the people join hands together, make them vote for Tinubu because the talk say all those who will be say he did jaga will be say he no good. My people say now only Tinubu, Bola Tinubu Ahmed na go fit do am, my people. Say make people join hands together, make Yoruba people make them do it, make them go vote for Tinubu because if the see person will be say one repair Oshodi Road, will be say they go they drive their motor in a good way, will be say road no, will be say gallop no go day, it go just the everywhere go just day neat and clear for them. Will be say they no go where they go, they no go reach late time. Say make them vote for Tinubu because now only Tinubu na go fit do am. My people, make a leave on and make on watch the video before I come back to come analyze am, my people.
Àwọn street kan ní Òṣòdì ẹ̀rí pé worse. Ẹ wo Bọ́lá Dalẹ̀ èmi mo ṣe fúnra ara mi, èmi mo faná sí, èmi mo ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. But ẹ jẹ́ wá sọ ọ̀kan fún yín tó bá yẹ pé mo ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì ńbẹ̀ mo lè má rántí àti ṣe o. Nítorí mo ní kọ ẹ má yẹ ká parọ́ fúnra wa because inú àwẹ̀ la wà yìí. Tó bá yẹ pé mo ní property bẹ́ẹ̀ mo lè má rántí àti ṣe because ṣé máa kó bílíọ̀nù yẹn lọ fi ṣe títì. Mo ń tẹ́wọ́ ni. Ẹ ti understand? But nítorí pé mo ní ìkan bẹ́ẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ìkan yẹn tà because a gbọ́dọ̀ parọ́ fúnra wa ni mo ṣe ṣe. Tá bá rí irú èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ tó lè bá wa ṣe bóyá bí almost kan bí 100 and something nínú Òṣòdì títì. Yes sir, mo mọ iye tí mo fi ṣe náà. Mo mọ iye tí mo fi ṣe. Ká wá dọ́bù owó yẹn fún 100 and something kó wá bá wa ṣe gbogbo títì yẹn nínú Òṣòdì. Ṣé mọ́tò yìí máa bàjẹ́? Ẹ máa ra táyà. Ẹ ní ra táyà ẹ ní ra kọ́kọ́ náà. Sọ́fà máa bàjẹ́ ìyẹn ò sọgbọ́n ó máa bàjẹ́ ẹ máa rà. Ta ló àfọ̀dì ẹ̀? Ẹlòmíì gun ọ̀kadà ó máa mú dání nínú títì jàjàgàgà yẹn ni. But Ọlọ́run ọba ti pèsè fún wa ń sìn fún èèyàn tó fẹ́ bá wa túnú Òṣòdì ṣe. Èmi fọlọ́run ọba bẹ̀yìn. Èmi fọlọ́run ọba bẹ̀yìn. Ṣé irú èmi ń sìn lọ́ máa ná gbé Yusufu jáde? Èmi máa tẹ̀lé Yusufu ní Òṣòdì ìgbà tí mo ya wèrè.
Ó ṣe wọ̀.
Mo ya wèrè náà ẹ jẹ́ ká sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ náà.
Olúùlú.
Ṣé irú èmi máa sọ pé Yusuf tí ó mọ iná náà ní Òṣòdì ni màá ní pé mo fẹ́ tẹ̀lé lẹ́yìn ìfẹ́ kérò sí lẹ́yìn. Wàláì màá fòdì ọwọ́ mi báyìí.
Tẹnumọ́.
It can't possible now. Ìka tó bá tọ́ láti rún mú. Ṣé Dáìsí Ẹ̀ṣọ́ tó ti ṣe chairman méjì 8 years tó yẹ pé akágọ̀ ni wọ́n ẹni bí mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ akágọ̀ ni wọ́n nírú èmi yìí wá tẹ̀lé. Ẹ túbọ̀ jẹ́ páànù yá ni tí irú Dáìsí Ẹ̀ṣọ́ yẹn bá lọ local government.
wọ́n sì jẹ wá
ó
lówó.
kẹyọ kan ó kẹ ẹnẹ́mi mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹnẹ́mi inú Òṣòdì la wà Òṣòdì mo.
My people, now the video now in a new watch finish. So my people, MC Oluomo, they let us they understand inside this video. Say make people go vote for Tinubu. But MC Oluomo no remember say before Tinubu won't come out for this election. Say Tinubu don't become governor 2 times for that Lagos, and we be say don't stay for good 8 years without do anything. No school we be say the right to get. We be say they put Tinubu name say na this kunai Tinubu build, and nothing like hospital wey be say na they go talk say na Tinubu na do this hospital. And now MC Oluomo, you first get issue with Tinubu before. Now wey be say Tinubu don't carry money give you because he know say you go use your agbero take vote for him. You go gather people. You sef you dey talk and say na only Tinubu now you go fit gather people for maybe where they go vote for. Say if they bring anybody come outside, you no go vote for the person. So now these people wey sit down now, you don't use that to change their mind, to they deceive their mind, so that the people will go vote for Tinubu. Okay, you dey talk about Oshodi Road. You dey talk about Oshodi Road. Now only Oshodi Road might be the problem for that Lagos. A lot of children, they will be say that they're hungry for street, they don't see food chop for this. Will be say even during the pandemic, common garri like this, they no share give them. A lot of children, they will be say their mama no fit see, they no see their school fees to take pay. A lot of children, they go school, no free transportation for students, nothing there for students. When we say to go school safe, it's not easy for their mama to train their children to go school. And they talk about the education of the children. When we say they need good education, when we say some children don't pay me, because say they don't see good treatment. Some children, they will say if they carry them go hospital like this, if doctor they no see money pay doctor no go fit treat them. You no come outside to come address this issue. You they talk about Oshodi Road because on I know say that Oshodi na put boss wey be say now they collect money, now they do the business. If you want make people vote for Tinubu, you not go only they talk about your pocket. You not go only they talk about wetin you they benefit from, because you know all those people when they drive motor, half of the money now your pocket now they go. Now your pocket and Tinubu pocket now they go, now they work for them. So if Tinubu pack money give you, at least if you know you won't even deceive people, you go deceive people in a good way. Not be by you come outside to come they talk, say make people vote because of Oshodi Road. And a lot of people, they clap for you because maybe those people they clap for you, maybe they fear you, or they will be like, not true they talk. We don't know their mind. But many of them they clap for you, and that clap where they clap for, many of them will sit down for that place. When we say that they smile, they clap for you, many of them, their children, they don't see money to take train their children go school. During the pandemic, when we say hungry, there a lot of people, they will be say they don't see food eat. We don't see picture of Tinubu when we say they on top of fries, say they're tossing at Tinubu, and tossing me, they go share them. But when election time come, we see rice when we say they put Tinubu picture, when we say they go share them for North people. A lot of markets don't burn for that Lagos. When we say Tinubu no fit give them small money, shingban like this to take even hard to their market money to take start again because their market burn, everything burn. But it go give a lot of money to North people, make they change arrange themselves, and North people markets no burn. So MC Oluomo, if you need to come outside to want make people vote, I'm not sure say by this way when we say they talk, it no make sense at all. Because when they talk about only Oshodi Road, that means they talk for your own pocket. That means you are speaking for only yourself. We know they talk say, okay, say now by force, say me they talk say me Yoruba people go say Oduduwa people. Yoruba people must collect their Oduduwa. Even if you not support Oduduwa, we know say everybody must not support Oduduwa. There are people who be say they go support Tinubu. There are people who be say they go support Oduduwa. But coming outside to talk about only Oshodi Road, only road of Oshodi, where we say a lot of people don't remember, Fulani people don't remember many people. So you mean say Tinubu go be president for only that Oshodi, so they do everything for only on a way we say na be Agbero. When we say if na Agbero people don't vote and in, then you gonna do everything to please only Agbero people, not for Nigeria citizens. So if you they do like this, I'm not sure say Tinubu go reach that place, because this talk where they talk safe. A lot of people, if they hear this talk where you talk now, they will go against Tinubu. So my people, make una let me know what you on a thing for the comment section. And if you never subscribe, subscribe. On a bye bye till I come on our way next time. Bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.